January 14, 2016 progress report. As you can see, walling is getting there. This is the first unit. Walling for this unit is done. I'm being harassed by my dog, so they're following me. Bubbles. This unit is done. I finished cementing the beams today. Right, tomorrow you'll see it's not. I'm also done for this unit. This is the first unit of the second building. Tomorrow we're going to be covering it. Okay, no. As you can see, the room is pretty big, really. I mean, this is like 5 by 5 or 4.5 by 4.5, so it's quite a good size. Second building, same again. Walling is done, except we need to add hollow blocks here. From here until the beam, we need to add hollow blocks. So I need to order some more. I need to order about 700 size 4 and 200 size 6. We're short. This one's done, but downstairs is lacking hollow blocks for the ventilation shaft. I'll show you. See, there's no walling here yet. There's no walling here. There should be a ventilation shaft here, but it's not yet installed. So I need to order hollow blocks. This is the second unit. I'll go this way, it's easier. Okay, third unit. Walling is partially done. We still need bricks for this section here. Third. The fourth is third unit, third floor. It's done, almost done. Short hollow blocks for this also. Fourth unit, we ran out of hollow blocks, so that's why I need the hollow blocks. In here, from here to the beam, to the top beam. Right. This one also we ran out of, so we need to buy some more. I need you sending me the money tonight so I get it and I can pay for it on Monday when it arrives on Monday. Okay, this one's done. This one needs a ventilation shaft also. Okay. Ground wise. They've finished the footing. Another 6 to go. Outside look. Bubbles. Hey, pass off! Side view.